In this video, I will show you how to replace the master power window switch in an 8th generation Honda Civic. Using a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver, gently pry up the switch panel. Lift it up carefully and you will see two wiring harnesses connected to the switch. Disconnect the wiring harnesses by pressing the release tab on the side and pulling out the connector. Here is a close-up of the master switch. Take your new window switch and reconnect both the electrical connectors on the back. Then insert the switch back into the door panel until it clicks into place. Turn on the ignition and test your new switch. If everything functions correctly, you're done. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Easegen for more DIY car repair guides. Thanks for watching.